Sai Ram students, a very warm welcome. Today I am going to give instructions regarding assignment and project. This assignment and project consists of 10 marks. So let's get started. The assignment should be done on assignment sheet or A4 size paper or a full scale. It can be done on any of these. After you have done with your assignment, it should be converted into PDF. You have to click a picture using any scanning app and then convert it into PDF. You need to save the PDF in the below format. In the sense, you need to name that PDF file in this given format. First, you have to write your full name, then roll number, then class and division, followed by the subject. Like in this case, Aryan Bhandari, roll number 3, 10th B, English. Okay. Moving ahead. Before you start with your assignment, you need to first write your details. Details will include your name, that is your full name, standard, division, roll number and SID number. SID number is very important. Now, before I proceed and start with the questions, let me tell you the submission date for this assignment. The assignment should be submitted on 19th August before 8 p.m. to your class teacher. Now, I'm sure you're having a paper and a pen with you so that you'll write down the assignment questions. The assignment should be written down along with me. Now our assignment is divided into two types. First assignment, which has a formal letter, and I'll let you know about the second assignment soon. So we'll start with the first assignment, which is a formal letter. Now this question will be written only by students of class 10A and 10th B. Let me repeat that. Students of class 10th A and 10th B will only write this question. This question is not for 10th C, D, E, F and G. Okay. So class 10A and B, please write the question. You are Aruna, member of NGO Awaz. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily for a public movement to clean the Yamuna River. Full stop. You must introduce yourself, describe how the people are to be blamed for polluting the river, and suggest the need for installing water treatment plant to clean the river. Okay. I hope class 10A and 10B students have written this question. It's a formal letter that you need to write. Moving ahead. The next question is for students of 10th C and 10th D. You are the librarian of Amla Public School. You had placed an order for textbooks with Dhanpat and Sons. Since the books did not arrive on time, you have decided to cancel the order. Write a letter to the manager. Write a letter to the manager, Dhanpat and Sons, Chennai, cancelling the order. Okay, so this question is only for students of 10th C and 10th D. Next question is for 10th E, 10th F and G. The road of your colony was repaired a few months back. It gave way to the first spell of rains, resulting in deep pits at several places. Write a letter to the chief engineer of the Public Works Department, asking him to get it urgently repaired to prevent risk to the people. You are Kamna or Kartik, living at 15 Mansarovar Apartments, Delhi. Okay, so we are done with formal letter questions. We are done with the first assignment, which is formal letter. Now moving ahead to the second assignment. I hope students you are writing the questions along with me. Now, students of 10th A and 10th B, second assignment, which is an article writing. There is disappearance of bird habitats. There is disappearance of bird habitats from city, forest and parks. Write an article in 100 to 120 words, stressing upon the need for bringing back the birds to the city. You are Sonu or Sonalika. You are Sonu or Sonalika. The following are the hints. Overuse of pesticides in maintenance of city parks, cutting down of roadside trees, putting up of communication towers on rooftops facing parks, leading to extinction of nesting grounds for birds, preservation of bird life through man-made bird baths in home balconies, hand rearing of orphaned fledglings, nesting areas in alcoves and grooves, need for clean and green environment. Okay. So I hope students of 10th A and 10th B has written down this article writing question. Students, you will not exchange any questions. Okay. So 10th A and 10th B will not write questions or will not do assignments which are given to other division. Alright. Similarly for other classes. Now moving ahead to 10th C and 10th D. Here the assignment question, the second assignment question is story writing. So students, I hope you are writing. Develop a story suitable to the conclusion or end given below. suggest a suitable title. So a conclusion or end is given over here, and you need to, when you write a story, this conclusion should be a part of your story. So your story should revolve, and you should revolve around this conclusion. Continuation dots. And so, with tears of joy and pride, and so, with tears of joy and pride, comma, the 10-year-old Sanyogita, the 10-year-old Sanyogita Chavan received the Bravery Award from the Prime Minister. Received the Bravery Award from the Prime Minister. Okay. Now, the next question is for 10th E, F and G. Students of only this class will write the question. Write a story based on the picture below in about 150 to 180 words. Give a suitable title to your story. Okay, do remember, while writing your story, you need to keep in mind the word limit, 150 to 180 words. Okay. Now, look at this picture carefully, observe the picture, and then start with your assignment. I hope students you are clear with both the assignments, and assignments are different for, we have given it division wise. Okay, so be careful while writing down the assignment. These assignments are compulsory. Okay, it has got 10 marks. Now, moving ahead, project. Let me make it very clear that assignment and project are two different things. Okay, do not get confused between assignment and project. Assignment questions I gave you just now, and project is something that we had given you earlier in the month of May, and also we recently you received a video. You might have seen the video based on the project. Earlier the project date was given, okay, that was 21st August, but now there is a slight change, okay, and the project date is not yet finalized. So you just need to prepare your project, which is a video presentation, a PowerPoint presentation in the form of video on the topics given roll number wise. You need to keep your project ready with you, but you need not send it on 21st August. There is a slight change. Okay, the dates will be intimated very soon. It will be informed at the earliest. Now, quickly go through the project that was given earlier, which you need not submit now. Need to submit it only when a date is given to you. 10th A to 10th G. Okay, it's for all divisions, but roll number wise. Roll number 1 to 10, Black Americans and their fight against discrimination. Roll number 11 to 20, women and their fight for equality. Roll number 21 to 30, the Vietnamese and their fight for independence. Roll number 31 to 40, South Africans and their fight against apartheid. And last, roll number 41 till the last roll number, Liberation War of Bangladesh. Okay, so I hope students you are clear with both the project and the assignment, and I hope you will keep the instructions in mind while writing your assignment. Do not forget to write your details before starting your assignment. Okay, just before starting your assignment, first write the details and then start with your assignment. Also, do not forget to name your PDF file. Okay, after writing the assignment, once you have clicked the photo, okay, the picture of that assignment should be converted into PDF, and it should be named only in the format given here. Full name, then roll number, class and division, and the subject. I hope students you're clear with assignment as well as project. Project need not be submitted now, although a date was given in the previous video, but there is a slight change, and now you will submit the project only when we give you a fresh date. But assignment, this assignment, that is first assignment and second assignment, should be submitted on the given date, that is 19th August before 8 p.m. Alright, so I hope students you are clear with this now and there's no confusion on this. Alright, thank you so much for your time.